Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Ru Dynasty. Today I will be showing you how to slay Passion Twist Lockdown Edition. As you can see, these are the products I will be using to make the hair. So this hair was purchased on Amazon and it is the Water Wave 18 inches 1B. The hair came in 8 packets, and this is just going to be me parting the hair, showing her how to part the hair. And I parted the hair in 4 sections so you can get an understanding. So I started off with the front section first, and then I went to the back.
AK Marv produced it.
So I'll be using the Gummy Professional Styling Wax Ultra Hold and Ultra Stark to basically sleek down the hair. And so here I'm just showing you the technique that I personally use to grab onto the hair. It's quite straightforward. I can't really explain. You kind of just have to look and understand, if that makes sense. But yeah.
AK Marv produced it.
You need to make sure that your braiding is very neat, because especially for this hair, she has 4C hair, so it's quite difficult to cover and, you know, hide everything.
AK Marv produced it.
Again, so I'm going back with the Gummy Professional Styling Wax just to sleek down all the flyaways, all the edges that I don't really want to be in the hair. Now I do the exact same thing for the back section, put some gel, braid the hair, and I only braid the hair to a certain point. As you can see here, I'm twisting her raw hair into the braiding hair, so it's literally hidden.
AK Marv produced it.
This is the most important section because mousse helps sleek, smooth, and add definition to your hair. It also holds the braids. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of the hair. I love it. My client loves it. I'm just literally now putting the gel to sleek down her edges. Whoop-de-scoop, you know, so she can look cute. And then we can see the final look. Ooh, sweet God. Sis was really loving her hair and really feeling herself. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.